Hey YouTube, I just got a package in the mail from ultrabrightlights.com. I got the Z Flash LCM for Chevy Silverado 1500, 22.5 and up. Wanted to give you a real quick demonstration on the flash patterns. I'm going to activate this from my key fob. This is the mode I prefer, or the way to do it, because it basically stays on without the truck running. You can also turn them on with truck running or in accessory mode. I'll show you how to do that in just a second, but to turn it on with a key fob, you just hit lock, unlock, lock, unlock, and they turn on. And then to get the turn signals to turn on because of the other modes that the truck does, just hit lock again. So we'll do that real quick. And it'll give you a flash. So this is pattern number 1. The headlights are alternating. Here in Michigan, if you're not an emergency vehicle, you cannot have wig-wag front or rear. Maybe nobody will get bent out of shape about it, but I'm going to go ahead and show you. There is one pattern that does not involve wig-wag. Hit lock again there. I'll get my cargo lamp to kick in. So this does high stop, cargo, reverse, tail and stop. There's also a little light here. If your truck is equipped, this is an LTZ. Has this little light on the handle, and also flashes the license plate lights. Of course, if you don't have fog lamps, you're not going to have that available either. Inside the cargo bed, those lights actually flash. There it goes. So to change it, I'll start the truck for you. I don't have this thing mounted yet, it's just kind of dangling from the wires. But here's the unit. There's a really simple plug and play. Leave the door open for 5 minutes so the power is killed. And then just go ahead and plug it in the light control module. Really simple install, anybody could do it. So I'll start the truck here for you and I'll change the mode. So right now we're on number 1. To change to number 2, which is the non-wig-wag version, just hit the bright stock blinker. Once it starts blinking, pull back on it. You'll see it'll flash twice. And then you're in mode number 2. Let's show you that. I think they call this the waterfall. There's dip switches on the unit to change from LED bulbs, that these all are, even including the headlights, to incandescent regular bulbs. So the pattern will change a little bit probably, but if you don't have LEDs, it's no big deal. Show you the back. The sun's low right now, but it is pretty bright out. Not sure how you're picking that up. At dusk, it's absolutely crazy, the flash you can get. So change to number 3. Quick turn signal, then pull back on the stock till they flash 3 times. Number 3 flash pattern. If you have the progressive turn signals, it actually does do its little animation. Now this is with the dip switch for the 3-second strobe. Every 3 seconds it would just strobe. I have that turned off. This seems to be a little more effective to me. Just a little more going on without the strobe interrupting the pattern every 3 seconds. The other way to turn this thing on is to use the included switch. I don't have it mounted, but here's the harness basically. It just plugs in. right there onto the module. There's a switch. The one advantage to using this switch is that if you press this down for 3 seconds, it turns it on and off. And using the stalk, it takes about 5 seconds. So that's off. Again, to turn it on from a running vehicle or accessory on, just pull back and it goes to the saved flash pattern you just used. Let's go on to 3. One. See if I'm smart enough to take it back to number 2. The included button is definitely easier than this, although I really personally like the key fob the best. So anyways, that's the Z-Flash LCM from ultrabrightlights.com for 22.5 and up Chevy Silverado 1500. Let me know if you have any questions.